Hey there, are you an Amazon seller who's looking to grow your sales while cutting back on your costs on PPC? Because you know what? Nobody likes wasting money on keywords and ads that just aren't converting. And my name is Kevin, and I am an e-commerce seller. I've been doing it for about 5 years, and just when I feel like I got it dialed in, something changes. Some new something on Amazon's platform or Facebook or Google or wherever it is, I'm trying to grow my sales. So just when I think I got it dialed in, all of a sudden my costs start going up, or it's just hard to scale. And all these different things I'm sure you can probably relate to as well. It's like, how do you get everything just right? And how do you stay on top of things so you're not just burning money? Because nobody likes that feeling. And so in addition to being an e-commerce seller myself, I'm also the host of the Maximizing E-commerce podcast. And every time I've put out a podcast on the subject of paid per click advertising, whether it be on Facebook or talking about Google ads or just Amazon's platform, it's one of my most popular episodes. So what that's telling me is, if you're struggling with trying to figure out PPC and stay on top of all the changes and everything, I'm having, constantly feeling like I'm trying to stay on top of everything, other people are too. That's why I put together the PPC Mastery Summit. What that is a virtual summit where I brought together 12 experts, people that have generated literally hundreds of millions of dollars on their paid ad campaigns on and off Amazon, and they're gonna walk you through actionable, proven, real-world strategies and tactics that you can implement into your campaigns right away. Now, you might be thinking, okay, for a lineup like that, maybe I would need to purchase a conference ticket and fly halfway across the country, maybe stay in a hotel. Well, that's not the case here. From the comfort of your own living room, for free, with a catch, but I'll get to that catch here in a minute. There's always a catch. You can access the PPC Mastery Summit and all the speakers. The gist is, though, you have to sign up now so that you get access to the speakers during the dates of the summit, which are May 26th through the 28th. After that, it's no longer free. So you got to grab your free ticket and do it now. So somewhere along here, you're going to see a button or a link in a description or a button around here. Just click that, sign up for your free access to the PPC Mastery Summit, but make sure you do it now before time runs out. So I hope to see you at the PPC Mastery Summit with all-star lineup of speakers. They're going to help you grow your business, scale your ads, and do it profitably. So go ahead, click that button, and I'll see you there.